Yeah. Nigga that got spoiled off these fucking PJs. It's not like...
Lately, I've been trying to wake up in between 6 or 7 just to get a quick run. But today's different. Linking up with Sumedh and CD in order to discuss our activation plans for the community. And I'm pretty excited about, we're gonna be checking out Balewadi Stadium and maybe do like a 5K and figure it out what are the next steps. I'm pretty stoked about that. So let's get it on.
I think fucking great session, bro, over here. I think we should do more of these track sessions.
Yeah.
Not just for us, also for the community.
Yeah.
And also the location is like crazy.
Good energy. People are like sort of like leaving now.
Yeah. It's getting quite empty. That's good.
Yeah.
I think this is a good time to come here. Except
Yeah.
the heat.
Let's go for the breakfast, bro.
Yeah.
And chop for the day. Good sesh.
I still don't know what to say to the camera, and it's a bit awkward and weird, so this will take a bit time to get used to. But welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being in here, and I hope you like the video and you follow the journey. So let's go.
Well.
Before the chaos, a lot of people are running, so this is all the calm before the chaos.
What you need is a lover, a man to take over. Oh girl, don't look any further. Cool to be.
I'll settle in the lonely.
Everyday hustle like William.
If you don't come on,
Yeah.
what would I do? I'll wait for.
Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the verse. Yeah. I get in that kitchen, I cook, go to work. I go berserk. Yeah. Go out and get you, I cook, go to work. I go berserk. Yeah. Go out and get it, secure the city, can't sing like the Titanic. Bitch don't want my free band bandit. This paper coming to me 24 hours, I can't go sleep. I know the power of a dollar, told 50 rounds at least.
Life is crazy right now. Stop at a coffee shop, drinking a Red Bull, picking up my mom. I'm super excited about that. Yeah, man, life is good right now. So great and thankful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow.
Blow the candle.
Wish.
Did you wish for a Porsche for me?
Wow.
Pop it. No, dude.
Video करते.
She said, take your time.